Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in the last video we have seen that we have read the PDF and the first step is completed. Our source is ready. Now in this video we will be breaking our source into the smaller chunk so that our OpenAI can train them, and when user ask any queries, right? So OpenAI, using the algorithm, it generates the response. So let's go back to the coding. So here we will be using another library. So from LangChain dot text splitter I am using, and we'll be using recursive character text splitter. So this will break my PDF into the smaller chunk. Now let me comment this out, the content which we have written here. So here we will be using text splitter as a argument, and we will be using recursive character text splitter. Now we will be passing certain characteristics to this, how we are going to do a chunk. So separator will be a length here, and chunk size will be 1000 we are keeping. Chunk overlap we are just saying 200, and the length of functions we are using the default function length. So it will calculate the length of the smaller chunk. Now separator we are clear, right? We are breaking into the new line, and the chunk size we are expecting 1000 maximum, and overlap we are setting as a 200. The reason being, sometimes the sentences are break, right? So we are suggesting here the chunk lower overlap can be 200 words, so that 200 characters, so that if anything breaks, right, so it will be understand the sentences very well, and it can provide the response well. Now here we will create a chunk. So we'll be using chunks equal to text splitter dot split text, and we are providing text here, which is we have read from the PDF. And in the next step we will be writing the content here. So let me just write it. So yeah, I'll just write it and let's me execute to just demonstrate it. So I have rerun this. So rerun will take some time. Okay, so we can see that our PDF which we have read here. So earlier it was in the holistic, all the PDF content we can see at once. Now this is break into the chunks. So this is the first chunk we can see in the array 0. This is the content, and next chunk we have 1 and its content. Similarly, we have further more chunks as we can see here. So in our architectures, we have completed the first part, which is source. We have read the PDF. Now we have break into the chunk. Now in the next step, we will be mapping this chunk into the embedding. So in short, embedding is nothing but mapping of the content which is in the text format, as we can see here, right? In the some numeric format, because our computer doesn't understand the text what we have written. It understand only the numeric, if the 1 and 0 fashion value numbers. So in the next step, we will be using a library that will convert the smaller text into the numbers. So stay tuned. Happy learning.